How to turn on comments on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can turn on comments on YouTube, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you would like to turn on comments on YouTube, basically all you have to do is open up YouTube Studio. So whether you're using from browser or from the app, just go to and log into YouTube Studio, then just come to content. If you have happened to turn off comment for a certain video, you can select that particular video over here, and once you have done that, you can tap on the edit option from the very top of the screen. Once you go to the edit icon here, you will see this. Now again from here, just go to this option called more options and then tap on it. Under more options, again just scroll down to comments. If it is set to off, you can just set this to on, and once you've done that, your comments will get successfully turned on. This way you can turn on comments on YouTube. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.